Hello, this is Ankit Alex Mehta, your 15 CS2K, and I'm making this video for a seventh experiment of C Sharp Lab. So we will be dealing with the Windows Forms applications in this experiment, which is made using the C Sharp network, C Sharp .NET framework. So here's the code. Actually, here's the format. So I have to make an address book registration. So here is our tab to add address, the update the address, and then finally it displays all the addresses available in the database. So for making this form, what I've used is a tool. First I made a solution. Then in my project and I have added a new item, and it's a Windows form, and that's a Windows form. If I add it, I will get a new template and in which I can drag and drop. So using drag and drop, we use toolbox, and from toolbox we have from Windows form all the required things that we can add. For example, I've used text boxes and buttons, which you have just drag and drop, and you can just configure it later. So that only for using by using the drag and drop. I have created this web form, and finally, after creating a web form, we need to do the backend process. Like, what process should it do when actually running? Like when it runs and whenever calculations add or update, what should it do? So you double click these. So for example, here it goes, after double clicking, there will be a partial class created with the name of the form, and it has a function for all the components. For example, text boxes, labels, and buttons. So for example, here in button click, that is whenever you click add, what happens? So for that we have defined here. So what this button should do is it should add these details in the database. So first of all, I have connected my form to a database using the SQL connection, for which I have made a connection string and connected to the database. This SQL connection is part of system.data.sql. After this, I have extracted the data from the text boxes using textbox name .text, and then I have made a query to insert these details into the database using insert query. Finally, I have executed this query, and if if the execution command returns a 0, that means the operation failed, as it successfully ended. Same for this update also. Here, the only thing difference is, first of all, I have the only difference is I've used a different query, that is update, where ID should be ID. And finally, what I've done is this is a data set component which will show all the data sets. So this is how the basic web form works. So let's try it out. Actually, so as you can see, so as you can see, this is the address book which we have created. So these are already present in the database. So let me try a new one. So there is to be now, as you can see, this will add it into a database. So as you can see, I have added this into database. Now let's try updating it. So for example, I want to update the second one. So it would be 2, and I want to change the name. So it will be into this, and You understand? Successfully updated. So as you can see, it is updated. So as you can see, our form is working. Thank you for watching.